Hi, welcome to the Mindful Apron. My name's Penelope, and today I'm going to be showing you what it takes to look after the pair of backyard chickens that we have. We have two chickens, Drumstick and Nugget. That's Drumstick, you can just see peeking in at the bottom there. People always ask me how much work it actually is to look after the chickens on a day-to-day basis. So I thought that I would walk you through every time I come out to check on them during the day. The day does start early, unfortunately, but that first trip out in the morning is an easy one, so it's not too bad. But you do have to let them out of their coop around, well, at the moment in the summer here, it's just after 5 a.m. You have to come out just after sunrise. Let them out of the inner coop here, bring their food, open up the area into their nesting box because we close that at night. And I just do a general check over the coop at that time just to make sure nothing attacked it during the night, that everything looks good and there's no immediate concerns. Only takes a couple of minutes, but it's a good way of forcing me to start my day. Then, because I'm home during the day, I come out once late morning, early afternoon, just to collect any eggs, bring them a treat, play with them for a little bit. And then I'll come out late afternoon, early evening, just to check on water levels, especially when it's hot. Chickens are very sensitive to heat, so you need to make sure they have access to plenty of fresh water at all times. Sometimes I bring them a treat. Depends if I've got kitchen scraps ready for them. And then the last time you come out is just after sunset. They will have gone into the roost on their own, but I then shut this inner coop as an extra layer of protection from any neighborhood animals. Make sure they are in the roost, and I take the food out of the coop at that point, just because I don't want it to attract anything unwanted to the coop. And we put that in a shed on the other side of the yard overnight. So it's really not a lot of work, it's a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoy your day with us. Good morning. It's a little after sunrise. This is the first time out to see the chickens in the morning. It's early, but we need to open up the coop, let them out for the day. We don't keep the food in the coop overnight, so I'm bringing that out for the first time. We keep this locked up away from critters overnight. Other things to do in the morning: we open up the coop, let them out, check the water levels, check that the coop is structurally okay, nothing attacked it during the night, and open up to give access to the nesting boxes. See you later. Come out now. Welcome back. So it's late morning and I've come to bring the girls their snack. It's been really hot here the last few days, so I've made them some large ice cubes with corn, cranberry and celery inside. Just for them to pick at, give them an extra bit of hydration. Also going to see if we've got any eggs yet today. Inside. Inside. There we go. We got treats. See you later, girls. We have 2 eggs this morning. The chickens are red sex-link chickens, and we get 2 eggs most days, 1 from each. The eggs weigh about 50 grams. They will play with those ice cubes for a little bit, and I'll come back and check on them this afternoon. See you later. Hi. So it's about 4:30 in the afternoon. I tend to come out in the afternoon just to check on them, just to say hi, and to give them a little bit of a snack. Their favorite is mealworms. As disgusting as it sounds, they love mealworms. I just sprinkle some in the coop and they'll enjoy these for a few minutes. I'm also going to put a barrier between the roosting area and the nesting box. I don't like them sleeping in the nesting boxes where they lay the eggs because it creates a lot of cleanup from when they poop during the night. So it's best just to keep them in the roost area overnight. Now, obviously today I haven't shown you cleaning out the coop. I only clean it out every few days. That's not a daily job, and it's really not a big job even then. Perhaps we'll do that in another video, so check back. I'm going to go ahead and do those couple of jobs now, and then I will come back out tonight around 8:30 to put them to bed. All right, girlies. See you later, girls. Hello again. It's just about 8:30 at night and I have come out to put the chickens to bed. They have already put themselves in the roost area. So all I have to do is close the doors to the coop and remove the food from the coop area. Then we'll just shut the door, say goodnight, and come back again and do it all tomorrow. All right. Good night, Drumstick. Good night, Nugget. Thank you for joining us at the Mindful Apron, and I hope you live life with peace, love, and happiness.